Good morning, dear children. Welcome to you in today's lecture of English. Dear student, in today's lecture, we are going to start a new lesson of course book and the name of it Newtonian nuances. So, students, just take out your book and open your book page number 26 and be ready with your notebook and pencil, and wherever you find any difficult words, so just make it underline. So, student, let me start the lesson. So first of all, as you can see, the name of the lesson is Newtonic nuances. So here, as you can see, the name Newtonic, it means you can imagine that the lesson is about the Newton, ना? जैसे कि आप जान सकते हैं कि lesson क्या है, वो न्यूटन से related है. So this is one of the lesson is related to the Newtonian nuances. Now, what does it mean by nuances? Nuances means to find details about something. So here, let me see this lesson. So first of all, I want to just tell you the summary of it, that what is exactly given in this lesson. So here the story, the lesson is all about one of the kingdom, evil kingdom, and the name of it Gondwana. So the story is about an evil kingdom, and the name is Gondwana. What is the name? Gondwana. Now let us see that what about the story. The story is about the evil kingdom and the name of it Gondwana, and where it is situated. It is situated from the bottom of the ocean. वो oceans के bottom में है. That evil kingdom, where it is situated at the bottom of the ocean. Now what happened here, as you can see in the picture here, as you can see in the images, 6 characters are there, 6 children you can see here. So these children belongs from the different part of the earth or different part of the world. अब ये जो 6 student है वो अलग अलग world के अलग अलग part से belong करते हैं. And you can see one more, you can see a picture here, a key which I have drawn on the board. Key, as you can see here, that key is also divided into 6 parts. ये key के भी 6, इस key को भी 6 part में divide किया गया है, and that 6 part of that key is having the 6 different person in the world. और वो 6 key के ये जो key है, इस key को 6 part में divide किया गया, and each part of that key is having a different person in the world. So as you can see that 6 children, 6 characters are there in the story, and they belongs from the different region. वो भी अलग अलग region से belong करते हैं, and you can see there are 6 parts of this key also. It is divided into 6 parts, and what we have to do, the task is given to that children that they have to just gather together the 6 parts of the key which had distributed or which had a part of a various person, or that part of the key is having the various person in the world. तो अब children का क्या होता, उस 6 part को एक साथ together करना, gather करना, then they can form a key. अब वो उस key को so then what they will do, they will just make a complete key. अब वो 6 part को जब वो together एक साथ gather करेंगे, 6 part को एक साथ जब वो collect करेंगे तो key उनकी बन जाएगी. Now what will do with that key? What will do? They can with using that key, they can just go down that evil kingdom Gondwana into that ocean. तो उस key से क्या होगा, if the children got the key, अगर वो key उनको मिल जाती है, so that evil kingdom will be shifted into that ocean. Otherwise, if the children will not able to do this work, so what it will happen, that evil kingdom destroy the earth. और वो क्या होगा, अगर ऐसा ना हो पाया, अगर की ना मिली, तो वो जो बॉटम पार्ट में जो ओशन आइलैंड है, that island will be create destroy in all over the world, and it will not be good for the human being. So it's one of the story. Now let us see that one of the part of that key is having the Newton. अब एक part उसका किसके पास है? It is having the Newton. Newton के पास है. Now the children will go into the period of the Newtons when we alive. So here let me see that how the children can be able to find the one part of the key which is having the Newton. So I hope you have understood the summary that what is given, what is about the story. So let me see. Here I hope you have opened the page number 26. So let me start. This was a much, let us see this last paragraph of the page number 26. This was a much more airy room. The curtains were open and they saw the heap of books and the paper that cluttered his desk and all the other surfaces. At the lower end of the room, away from the window, was another table cluttered with small bottles filled with various chemicals. Axis knew that in his middle year, Newton had begun to write more on alchemy and mystical subjects, including the analysis of the Bible and the papers represented his ongoing work. So now you can see all 6 children, they just reached into the period of Newton. अब वो न्यूटन के पीरियड में, न्यूटन के एरा में वो पहुंच चुके हैं. Now let us see. This was a much more airy room. Now you can see the children, they entered into the Newton's room. न्यूटन के स्टडी रूम में वो पहुंच चुके हैं. Then the curtains were open and they saw the heap of books. And as we all know, that Newton is one of the great scientists, and so his room was full of books. And in many of the corners, in all corners in his room, the student can see many books. Then and they saw the heap of books and the papers that cluttered his desk, and on his desk they had seen many of the books which was kept as a heap of books. Then and all of the surfaces at the lower end of the room away from the window was another table, and not just only single study table was there in the Newton's room, one more table was there in his room, and the children, they had seen the small bottles which also filled with various chemicals, and he was a great scientist, so the very many chemicals it had been seen in his room. Axis knew that in his middle year. Now you can see the name Axis. Axis is one of the boy among that 6 children. अब इन 6 children में से एक का नाम क्या है? Axis. Then Axis knew that in his middle years, Newton had begun to write more on alchemy. Alchemy means a form of chemistry. He studied chemistry. So Axis को इस बारे में पता था कि उसने अपने मिडिल एज में या अपने मिडिल ईयर्स में what he had started to write more on alchemy, केमिस्ट्री के बारे में उसने स्टडी किया था, and he had written more about the chemistry and mystical means inspiring subject. So it's very inspiring subject, so which he had started the study in his middle age or middle era. Then, including the analysis of the Bible and the paper represented his ongoing work. So, including the analysis, and he had studied more on the various topics like chemistry, and he had studied about the Bible also. Then Newton went to his desk and sat there. Then, when the Newton had seen that the children entered in his room, then Newton went to his desk. He went to his desk and sat there. They faced him in a row as he studied them with the curiosity and wonder of a scientist unraveling a secret. So they faced him and asked, why did the children go to the Newton's room or into the period of the Newtons? Because they wanted to get a key which is having the one part of that key is having Newton. So forgetting that the part of the key, they reached to the Newton's era, and for just getting it, they entered into the Newton's room. Then they faced him into a row as he studied them with the curiosity, and with a huge curiosity, with a lot of curiosity, they started to look at very less talk, they talk very less, बहुत कम बात करते हैं वो, and always they busy in their work. So he was looking very serious and he sat there, Newton sat there. Then about 14 years ago a young man approached me when I was visiting friends in Grantham. Newton said more to himself than to any of them, and he looked very serious, है ना. And the children they imagine that the Newton is going to just talk with himself only. और वो कैसा मतलब फील करते हैं, they feel that कि जो न्यूटन है वो जस्ट खुद से ही बात कर रहा है. About 14 years ago what happened? About 14 years ago a young man approached me. एक young man उसके पास आता है to Newton, and when I was visiting friends in Grantham, when I was visiting my friends in Grantham, जब मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ ग्रैंथम में था या मैं उनसे जब मिल रहा था, so at that time one of the young man he approached to me, he came to me, and now when the description is telling about that man, the children felt like the Newton is telling the story to himself only. तो बच्चे क्या इमेजिन कर रहे थे कि जो न्यूटन जो भी बता रहा है वो किससे बता रहा है, जिसको कोई बता रहा है, because he was looking very serious. Then he told me that at some time in the future a boy would come to collect what he was about to give me to keep in a safe custody for him. He handed me an object and said that before I passed it on, I would have to recognize a piece of music. He then hummed a few bars, and for some strange reason, the tune entered my head and has remained there like an irritant. Of course, it's related to my study of optics and musical notes. Now, the young lady has played exactly those notes that he hummed for me. I don't claim to understand how all this has happened. So, let us see what happened later. He told me that at some time in the future a boy would come to collect what he was about to give me to keep in the safe custody for him. As he started to tell the story which happened with him before the 14 years ago. 14 years ago उसके साथ जो हुआ था वो भी किसे बता रहा है. Now he is telling the children, है ना, वो भी बच्चों को बता रहा है कि 14 साल पहले क्या हुआ था. 14 years before a person had came to him and he had handed over to him one of a thing, कोई चीज उसे देकर जाता है. And what was that? It was a part of that key. एक part कौन देके जाता है? एक person न्यूटन को देकर जाता है. And what he told me that you have to just keep that part safe with you. और इस part को तुम्हें क्या करना है? इस part को तुम्हें अपने पास safe रखना है. And in the future what will happen? A boy would come. In the future what will happen? A boy would come to you to collect that part of that key. और वो क्या बोलता है उसे कि अगले कुछ सालों के बाद एक boy तुम्हारे पास आएगा for collecting that part of the key. Then till then you have to just keep safe that part with you. He handed me an object and said that before I pass it on, I would have to recognize a piece of music, and music will be played in front of you. जब वो boy आएगा तो वो तुम्हारे सामने एक music play होगी, है ना. He then hummed a few bars, and for some strange reason the tune entered in my head and has remained there like an irritant. So when that person came to the Newtons, he played a same tune, है ना. वो उसे क्या, उसके सामने वो जब उसे एक ऑब्जेक्ट देके जाता है, a part of a key, it has been handed over to the Newton by a person, by a man, and he had given and he informed him that you have to just keep safe that part with you, and he played a music. एक म्यूजिक उसके सामने वो करता है या गाता है. And he again informed him that the same music will you listen or will you hear when a boy will come to you to get that part of that key. और उससे वो ये भी बोलता है कि यही same tune जब एक boy तुम्हारे पास आएगा for getting that a part of key, that same tune will be played. So it's a part. So in this way you can just recognize that will come to you in future to get that part of a key. Of course, it's related to my study of objects and musical notes. Now, the young lady has played exactly those notes that he hummed for me. Now, here you can see the 6 characters, 6 students, 6 children are there, and one name, as I have already told you, Axis. एक का लिखिएगा Axis. One of the boy. Then among them one girl is also there. 3 girls are also there, you can see. So one of them she just play a same tune. उसमें से जो एक girl होती है वो same वही tune play करती है which had been played before the 14 years ago. 14 years पहले जिसने वो same tune गाई थी. One of the person who came to him and played the same tune. The same tune had been played by that girl. So I don't claim to understand how all this had happened. Now it's really just mysterious thing for Newton also. He also didn't know that how all these things happens. Can you describe the man? Axis asked. Now that what Axis asked, can you describe the man? क्या उसको man को describe कर सकते हो? Who had handed over to you a part of the key? A quiet man with a soft, calm voice. He was dressed even as I was in that day. I would say he was in his late 30s, possibly older, with an unremarkable face but a gentle smile, and he was most courteous. He also warned me that dark forces would try to obtain his gift, and I was to be very careful. Newton reached across his desk. What better place to hide a secret than out in the open? Now, Axis asked him, would you please describe that man who had handed over to you the part of the key? He was a quiet man. And who is having the soft voice. He was dressed even as I was in that day, and he was dressed like as I was in that days. I would say he was in his late 30s, nearly he crossed his 30 age, with an unremarkable face of gentle smile, and he had having a gentle smile, and he was most courteous. He looked too courteous. He also warned me that dark forces would try to obtain his gift, and I was to be very careful. And he warned me. What he warned me that I must be careful. I must be careful whether the other person also started to just ऐसा हो सकता है कि मतलब कोई आकर उसे गुमराह करने की कोशिश करे, मिसगाइड करने की कोशिश करे. So he warned him that you do not have to just misguide by anyone. If anybody started to just give by any gift. Newton reached across his desk. What a better place to hide a secret than out in the open. And again he just reached to his table, and he thought that it is one of the good place to hide that part of the key, and what a better place to hide a secret than out in this open. And he had just hidden that part of the key in his desk. So student, today I explained you the first some paragraphs of the lesson. I hope you have understood it very well. Now it's your homework to read the whole lesson once again, and if you find any difficult word is there, so just make it underline, and you can see the vocabulary portion is given on the next page. So as well as you have to just make it complete this vocabulary in your notebook. So student, will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.